Tuma GH and Amoni Ebuso Amushe, Mimamo Aquabastronco, Eba Yefidi Kese so Medina Nana Ama Obus and Debia done trending issues and a medical tuja at the Mammon. Nebusan Ebusan Sia Day, the Abetuja was social media, the latest trend and for adapted to a air coso any AS snitching. Na shall say a branta a day Ibrahim Dauda. Or pen temba upon Tibeka City, a honorable Kennedy at the point said, we will prove Cyberchester honorable so indulged in a money laundering business living into a new one when you be said, Bobeba Ponting, Abbott and Sir Bishop than it will be any as so far for fraud to say, welcome once them, Ewani expose in so. And Nunti Ibrahim Babonteno, and my year honorable so Elka when if you get to say, Obama a police form Abanichi, as I say, Abbott because one also named said, a year Ibrahim. That they IBM is often Ibra1 no or you're involved in fraudulent activities or crackers, bagan, and has a won't your own duties, a demoto or your scammer, they attempt to defend a Sakawa boy nibi. And no the air coconut for Eka the way I and some air corners a honorable yet the walk kind and so cost I yet your kind they never said Ibra1 ya chena or best nature on boys or better chemu actually for or no more yes coming into morning so you're not so yes coming into the now for shall say what din are one more can go for one so a more better in case say Ibra1 yes I saw the move say any investigations near the service and a noom as them now way and a brand table to a war approach me on so your gun in him formally no one name AMG boys no ene nante the din ye different no Sam Safo na the din power between edition so show boy now one also actually wale hold to the latest trend no actually me say one also ever fa konya way so Eddie snitching on boys and one also ni momo say one was here involved in Sakawa no ba bonteno one can assembly say one one can no end to move who say loyalty no enye adwuma e wo hood ni mu street so no loyalty enye adwuma wo ye wadwen say who play loyal game na enche who be ban sem pi who ban sem so a wo bia be you because who na open na wo ye loyal na say the boys there wo bia snitch wo ne yonko esonto no so e be take up the snitching business no so ask snitch e wo enkofo so na the upper channel say ono so enim enkofo mu ye fraud ni bi o me into scamming e na ebia mu so no wo no man nante da onim Sakawa boys nebusia for ye nim say enkane no nanka o ye co-founder of Arab Money Gang, but omuntem atete as say they were also aten ho akọ for me on one kasani group a two hype gang or ye CEO or that anom na biom so ye send him say abrante show boy no or America or that America for prison emu at say ebrebre eche America for police for ensako so no sign conflict dia he was involved in na say there also dey na no abeto trend ni so best na che enko so no ama ensem na ayehu ama boys e wo Ghana ha na wono so o akukudro pa say Ibrahim pepepe or godin big names e wo Ghana ha wo from say wo mo game boys wo mo into fraud and scamming they was for edin bobo na aba na de hu pa na wo body no so no or the ba in a series of Instagram post and it making can be at the ama as for any ebium so no etie for or shall send the first Instagram post what they ever to Jan say and watch them America here then for arrest Kelvin Fianco for me he gets money he and MDK and the AMG boys chop catch quick how what they ever say a year boy and he did Kelvin Fianco our AMG boys no no or BM so only medical no one year nunya conform into gaming nibi one year fraud scamming nibi into police for ensure monte scammers one conform way our bomudin one can be palm a BM so the next Instagram post what they ever to done say and call your same you guys think only Ibra they snitch Oluman for America here also they work with them the thing be say these niggas fear prison and jail, so them shake them small. They start telling America don't torture. They use the mind and emotion. No. And now what they abeto say. Ibrahim na Ghana for obi ade nani akwaso so say won do no snitch esan say no ba asempe yatesi edin a wabobo a connect to to scamming and ebiem so no fraud ni bi obobo din abo ye celebrities e man ni bi say there are some no no kwa no do mo eko ensohwe mu nti senkofo dwen say wono kwa na snitcher na eye show boy party so no so wo hobi pa no so won Ghana no ntum those who are American prison kwa no o wa ho akonya se no so be kire na adwen e wo social media space ntu nunti e na ama no e de eye ensem we no aba bontin ti se e go fodun se America honom no ye tota no ha na e atropa no de wo mu yusu adwen any emotions se na watinka tie se na wadwemu tie no no mo de handle but set touch Japan Ghana prison e koso wa hande e binwanti sa Ghana for no mo a mo ye into scam no mo do mo suro Ghana prison ti ye fendi wo mo e wo Ghana ha say and next Instagram post I would ever to aso no any say kwasi asem nko a you think your time no go come pay me what you owe me make me to build the real estate sum and kwasi for only wanna get sense for Ghana tell Jabril to come pay me na me I praise past Ibra lam I praise past Ibra and no day a serious attack to him. Waddle is involved. That is why I take breaks on talking about JBC. Waddle promised to settle me and make sure I'm good, but that assurance expired. And no, the next Instagram post what betu dwa I hono to abo edin foforo edin you know enkwan wo bo Jabril edin and ebiem so abo Chris Waddle so edin se wono so eka Game Boys no enwo ewo Ghana ha a wo mo kra esadenika ebra no wono mo nante game te se omo ye game no together almost coming for Friday kofo no oye ya bo mo e mo mo bedenika na ketua no ma promise na sa so mo face kan man into we die wo bo mu din aba bonta mo bie hu so mo ka Game Boys ho nanso ebiem so no first akonya no so e dia dan mo ka se wono so be se wonye ye nto mo ncha nika no no so entimi emfanye ye na ebusafo the next Twitter what they had to say my fellow Game Boys run hide now Ibra is about to snitch on all of us. Ibra, don't forget to add Jabril to 8. Me and Am get unsolved issues from 2014. Add him to 8. Me myself and bring your proofs. If you used me to enrich yourself, just know I'm coming for my correct percentage before I die. The street we day, I keep records more than King Pharaoh in the Bible. And not only as some what they told us, I will say, a year Ibra once a year day. So I started to was nature and one more than 1 century and quickly. One more body, a dear beer won't be a one more Game Boys or more involved in fraudulent activities or Ghana Hanyano. Memory rate and feedback compo, Sakra Eka Jabril, a jeans, one fun and can say, 1 year Eka will be and no mere game with Jumano, our Ghana has an into young Bobo Munyadin, so that they are making me Ako prison and also make Tria, one more bonnet or Medi or Maimono, and so come. There was a for the last tweet what they etta so. I would buy no say na making kind and then was saying or say arrest some of my niggas na them be wicked too much. You called me broke not knowing it be clients in money you they still or free now they are coming. We go see who is rich and broke. Well utumu say what the church in kofa they say they more can higher Game Boys or more actual pa esan Ibrawana why ready so best na che e wo woman ya eso or patch say they say they a police for ba wo mo tell mechi a wo mo pe mo actual they say ya chiro mo a e le be kire wo mo yesika for enu wo mo yesika for because wo mo nyo mo sika wo mo di party spreading no mo uni say ono she prison ti wo yo hiani a hwe ni wa e wo ne nchenti they say say police for asha say investigation hwehwemu epe wo mo kira kwan e de achoma e no mbehu the difference between a broke person and the rich person ebusa for utumu said series of tweets now what they abaniano and certain no not or they snitching on any former friends AMG boys no and the BM so wakama Ghana for you who says is that the Ibra one no or ne penny for amuye hwemu no and the nam our ready say we be edina wo me involved in fraudulent activities now wo so no yetimi ahwe mu case mo eye de ekoi de boys ayehye wo Ghana ha obi ape baby identity akote and some na ebo ba na edin bobo na ewo mu no utumu say obi akana natum besi satam ya me kan eye message ache mu no medical ma bonten ye Chris Waddle ma bonten ye Jabril so ma bonten ye Kevin Fianko so ma bonten ye wo mo ya bo mu dinya no obi enu aba bonten abeka ensem no ho abi utumu say esi ade de wo madwin mu ayehia wo mo pe kwan bi de achicho mu ho de age de acho mu ho efi ensem a ebo ba de afom ho lebusa for mame kenkan comment bi agana for de abetu dwa efa ensem a eba no home where efi KC ne dia wode about say Any person who honestly works to be rich by himself will never flaunt it on social media. Any person who flaunts his wealth on social media is a suspect. And to also actually say, obi biawa o ye adwumaden bo no homodin egu ne komu ye adwuma no. So we dey sika, won fa me church on social media e mentane dan se matoka we ma isifie wa ha, my girlfriend nie, matalia me chede onye sa. Eye wo mu a, wo mu fa kwan pa no, e no mo de be dan kofo ni so no mo de brim kofo ni so na wu say wo kra boy bran ka wo mbobi. Aye aimless e wo me ni so no wo mu no me yes obi o yes abia no, ye hu ni se Ghana ha wo ye suspect. Mensa William so edia what about say I knew that medical and Chris Bado are 419 people. These days they mix it with blood money. That is why there are so many ritual killings in Ghana now. Or no edia or the one who said that the near fitete who medical and Chris Bado pen on the tag on some 419 boys. A do a mudiano, rain can be woman Jessica, a third manner and ritual. Na and same mudia, one more matani and 70 any matani humanity. One was a day a moja abe frown, and it is so many discovered by normal frontier. I say, and nefari by no esite. Now the crowd don't say it is a for a woo, baby bia anyhow. Never to say a for ya and mumudisa a jumano. Kwansa edia what they about say. Some of these people are not wise. You know you stole people's money. Why do you flaunt your stolen money on social media? On the one said, Sir boy see, woman said that any nyansa sana, who work with obisika. Obisika na wunim se we are wafa. O sa de be check o social media na we no. Enye one we be kwansi me yon hu hwehwe mu ana because we dwuma bi anu awo ye. Na o sa de sika we wia e de kyerɛkyerɛ nyama watoto no wo de kyerɛkyerɛ se we na wenya e de ya be hu ekyerɛ se sika no uwia ye nti wo mo ani nyansa bako ma me mfa eye Mr. Trump so dia wo de aba Donald Trump na o say this guy is mad past Ibra1. Now the boys for DG for Ghana here on also action na John Huni say show boy he wa teaching crossing Ibra1 ye ka Ibra1 so about them we dey chain no kra wo ko far ko too far na they say the boys no almost DG fa wo nye ready na dey be there Harry eso dia what they abe I'll say I thought as much all that glitters is not gold. Also when say nya de hyerebia ene yesika kokko wadwen wan hu say sa de we see ya ene sitie sapon brands for there what they about say ha masresa when it is coming it is doing also on was what sre when him said the bana eno an eyo no say bana no na eyo no Agnes or say men sergeant na me dey ebe chat so or say they are not wise at all the time flaunting their stolen world. I can't imagine how Volta, Beyonce, McAfee will behave after Hasby arrest. I will not be surprised if they do drugs also. FBI, please ask them and be quick to arrest them. Also, dear, what they abonosi and go forward there. One month less or more in dear baku say. So, who on Yansa, a day na dear with via. Osa de betu be dwom kire nkofo se wo we a woni se we bia no de o hwe ni power twe pa se a police form any America for FBI for nsaba ko so medical mu no mo sa so mu bia wo be hwe se na ye Volta Beyonce some or this can be Fela McAfee or see Fela McAfee Volta Beyonce or very ese no so be behave on social media so we about aba frontisika no adane da no ho ana de obeye bia no obeye edim so obehwe de ebeko ho na or no ka de enye no 1% nkofo we wo mo sa eye endrumbone ho adwuma ebusa for aha enam de comments no ebesi na no so me catch up say wo dia so awo efa ensema ebe the latest trend about social media so nkofo snitching Game boys are sema yekika kanon adwin dia wo fa ho bia no fatu dra e wo too much comment section ma on refi say wo betimi a share video we e dia mo bibia na subscribe so e bia mo so too much your page e wo Instagram e @2mugh_ and to follow ye wo ho me din na ama owusu a me be si ha nyame adoma ye be san e di nhemu dim makramo